All right, good. So by the end of today's class, we should be able to simplify. So our learning objective is number one, should be able to simplify algebraic expressions. All right, and number two, substitute values in algebraic expressions. And number three, we should be able to remove bracket from algebraic expression, remove brackets. Expressions. And lastly, expand. All right, so I just made a mistake here, right? So you need to definitely expand algebraic expressions. Okay, so that's just the basic anyway. That's the basics. Fundamentals.
Done.
Well, good, right? Okay, great. So I'm going to clear my canvas now.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So allow me use my golden pen.
Okay.
So first thing that you need to take into consideration is that we have in algebra we have letters and we have numbers. Okay, so they are the two basic things that we usually take into consideration, right? So take for instance, we have -5 into bracket A. If I ask to simplify this, simplify means that you should solve it completely and get the final answer, right? So if you ask to simplify this, then this becomes what? Actually, this alphabet has an invisible plus beside it. Every alphabet that you see or every number that you see always has an invisible sign beside it, right? That you can see, which is a positive number. Yeah. So, but for those that have the negative sign, you know that they are negative numbers, right?
Yeah, because they have the.
Yeah. So these kind of numbers, we actually call them negative integers. Negative integers. That's what we call them. Negative integers. Because we have different kinds of numbers. We have positive. All numbers are integers, right? So we have positive integers and negative integers. So integers are just whole numbers. So your whole numbers are like from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 upward. So you have a number line that has 0, and all the numbers here 1, 2, 3, all of these are positive integers. Okay, all of these are positive integers. While on this other side of the number line, you have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So these are negative integers. Okay, and so negative integers and positive integers. So 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer. It's just in between. Okay, so most times we always take into consideration integers here. So we can have a negative integer or a positive integer. The best way to quickly identify the positive integer is if they don't have a sign beside them, automatically you know that it's a positive integer.
Positive
That was
integer.
exactly what happened to this a. So it has a plus here, an invisible plus. So we assume that the letter, which is the alphabet, is also standing as if it's a number, but in the real sense of it's not a number. Okay. So here now we say our minus times plus is going to be what? Do you know that?
Minus.
Yes.
Yes, minus.
Okay, minus. So 5 times a is going to be what? 5a.
A.
Yeah, good. So this is simplifying this now. So that's our final answer for this. So we have another one. Take for instance, we have simplify minus 1 into bracket m. That's to simplify this. So what do you think that's going to give us?
Minus 1m.
Oh, great. That's going to be minus 1m. Actually, there is an invisible plus here. And so can you still hear me?
Yeah, you were breaking up for a bit, so I couldn't hear you for like 5 seconds.
Sorry, somebody called me actually. So now you know that there's an invisible plus here. So these times this is going to be minus, and then we have a minus 1m. So we have another number. Let's take it up high a bit. Take for instance, if we have 4 into bracket minus 3x. How about that? So we know there is
minus 12x.
Good, minus 12x, because we know that there is a positive number here, right? Positive integer. So plus times minus is minus 4 times 3, 12, and then x. Right? Great. So we have another
minus 12x.
Good. So we have another, we have, let's say number 4, let's say we have minus 2y into bracket times into bracket minus 8y. All right, fix this. So this is also simple. Okay. So
16y.
Yeah, 16y squared actually, because this is going to be.
Oh yeah, there are 2 y's. So
yes, there are 2 y's.
Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, if we expand, it's going to be minus 2y times minus 8y.
8y.
So this minus will multiply this minus. We have never you get carried away with the signs. The signs are very, very important in algebraic expressions. Else, they're going to knock you off. You're going to get it wrong. So you have to ensure you're very, very conversant of the signs, and also you need to be very careful. You look at the numbers properly before you answer it, right? So this is minus times minus, which is going to be plus 2 times 8. You can arrange 16. It 16, yes. So 16, and then y times y is going to be y squared. So you could see I picked the signs first, I multiplied the signs first, and then I picked the numbers, I multiplied them together, and then I picked the alphabets, I multiplied them together. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So signs first, the numbers next, and then the alphabets. Right?
Alphabets.
Yeah. So signs first, the number first, and the alphabet. I don't know what to use here. Probably to use PEMDAS to teach you, or to use BODMAS to teach you. I don't know which one you're familiar with. BODMAS or PEMDAS?
We use BODMAS.
BODMAS. Good. BODMAS. Okay.
Yeah.
BODMAS and PEMDAS means the same thing. In USA they use PEMDAS. In Nigeria they use BODMAS.
Oh.
All right. So I'm just going to show you BODMAS here. So we have. You're still writing, right?
No, I'm done.
Okay, so I can clear my canvas, right?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, good. So we have number. We have 18a divided by, open bracket, 6, open bracket, minus 6. I think this is number 5, right? (18a) divided by minus 6. So here,
minus 3a.
Yep. Because this is going to be plus, right? So this is plus 18a divided by minus 6a.
Minus 6.
So the same thing that is happening with multiplication is still the same thing that is happening with division. This is what I mean. Like plus times minus is going to give you minus. Yeah, plus times plus is going to give you plus. Minus times plus is going to give you minus, and minus times minus is going to give you plus. So once they are same, the same, you're going to get positive. Same gives you positive. Same gives you positive, but different signs, different gives you negative. My golden pen is just changing its color. I think probably because of you. So plus times minus. So when they are the same, right, you have a positive answer, a positive sign. But when you have different signs, you have a negative. Yeah, so the same thing is applicable to your division. So you have plus and minus here. So it's going to be, your answer is going to be minus.
Minus 3.
Okay, now you now have 6 and 18, right? So 18 divided by 6 is going to give you 3, right? Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. I added a